It's time to learn about ipse-ipsa-ipsum. This particular pronoun or adjective is called intensive or intensifier because it stresses the word it modifies. It's not uncommon to translate it in English with the expressions in person, very, or myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, depending on the reference. A very important thing to keep in mind is that, despite the fact that we used the word self, this is not at all a reflexive pronoun. In order to illustrate this concept, let's look at two examples. When I reached the palace, I saw the king himself, meaning the king in person, the very king. This is an intensifier. After the loss, the king killed himself. This refers back to the subject, so it is reflexive. With this now clarified, let's move on and look at the forms. They are not difficult to memorize, especially if you keep in mind that ipse is fundamentally an adjective of the first class, with a few modifications. Ipse-ipsa-ipsum declines practically like ille, illa, illud. Ipse-ipsa-ipsum. Ipsius, ipsius, ipsius. Ipsi, ipsi, ipsi. Ipsum, ipsam, ipsum. Ipso, ipsa, ipso. Ipsi, ipsae, ipsa. Ipsorum, ipsarum, ipsorum. Ipsis, ipsis, ipsis. Ipsos, ipsas, ipsa. Ipsis, ipsis, ipsis. Let's take a closer look and notice that 1. The genitive and dative singular are the same in all three genders. 2. The feminine singular and neuter plural look the same. Make sure you pay attention to the context in the sentence. 3. The plural declension follows the same endings of the first class adjectives. Now we can see ipse in some sentences. Nemo filiam acerbam consulis ipsius diu diligere potuit. Here, ipsius describes consul. Natura ipsa aec nos docuit. Here, ipsa describes the subject, natura. Animus se ipse alit. Here, ipse describes the subject, animus. Eques ducem ipsum gladio vulneravit. Here, however, ipsum is intensifying the direct object, ducem. Tibi ipsi eas literas dabo. Here is one example in the dative case in agreement with tibi, an indirect object. Muri ipsi audiunt. Very powerful here, referring to the subject, muri. Ante Caesaris ipsius oculos fugerunt. Here is one example in genitive case in agreement with Caesaris. Let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.